All right, so we will review surveys. So for example, we voted today on various pets. So we have 10 students total, right? And we have 3 that own dogs, so 3. We have 1 student that has a cat, so 1, and 1 that has a parrot. Then we have a lizard, 1 student, chicken. Apparently 3 students have chickens, and turtle, 1 student has a turtle. So when you create a tally, you put a column and you list the animals. So we have 3 dogs, and the tally is usually you put lines. Can I have your attention? We have 1, 2, 3. Cats, 1, 1. Parrot, 1. Lizard, 1. Chicken, 3. And turtle, 1. So this is called a tally chart using data from the survey. So this is our data here, and we represent this in a tally chart. However, we can change that also to a picture graph. What is a picture graph? Picture graph basically represents the same things, but you can come up with a symbol, and this symbol is called a key. A key. So let's come up with a key for every pet. Anything. So how can we represent, what kind of key can we come up? We can do like a smiley face. Okay? And the key is gonna be equal, 1 smiley face is equal to 1. Okay? Right? So for example, if I have 3 dogs, how many smiley faces I'm gonna use? Yes.
You're gonna use 3 smiley faces.
1, 2, 3. And this is the picture graph or pictograph. So we have 3. That's my key. Is the most important thing for the people that just came in is to pay attention to the key. If a key shows 1 smiley face is equal to 1, so that's how we're gonna represent. For the cats, how many I'm gonna have to represent? Yeah.
1.
1 smiley. And for the parrot?
1.
1. Lizard? 1. Chicken, how many?
3.
3. And how about if I don't have any pets? For example, then I'm not gonna do any kind of like, for example, if you have no pets, then you're not gonna represent, or you're gonna put 0. Make sense? Okay? In some cases, for example, if you have a farm, if we change that, and we have a farm, and we have 35 chickens, let's change that. So if we have 35 chickens, so to represent that on the picture graph, that means I'll do 30 like smiley faces, right? And however, I have a 5, right? So if I have a 5, I'm gonna do half a smiley, right? I'm going to change that to the key to be equal to 10 now, okay? And for example, I'm gonna have how many dogs? I'm gonna have 30 dogs, 10 cats, 15 parrots, 15 lizards, and 25 turtles, okay? Let's say I have a zoo now. So I have zoo, okay? So I have 30 dogs. So in order to represent it as a picture graph, how many, if each key is equal to 10, if I have 30 dogs, how am I gonna represent it? How many smileys do I need to draw? If each smiley is equal to 10, and I have 30, so I have 1, 2, 3 smileys, right? That's going to be 10, 10, and 10. So I'm going to do 10, 20, 30, okay? And I have 10 cats. How many smileys? Yes. 1 smiley. Very good. You guys are getting it. Parrots. How many parrots do I have?
15.
Yes, ma'am.
You have 15, so you're going to put 1 full smiley face, and then you're going to put a half.
And I'm going to do a half smiley. Okay? Lizards. How many lizards do I have? 15 again. 1 full smiley. And the 5 is half of it, so I'm gonna do half of smile. Okay? Chicken. How many chickens do I have?
35.
So 30. So I'm sorry, 35. So how many smileys do I do? Yes.
You do 3 smileys and 1 half.
And 1/2 for the 5. Because 10, 20, 30, 35. And turtles, how many do I have?
25.
So can you tell me how many smileys do I need with the turtles?
You're gonna.
If if a key says 10, so each smiley is equal to 10. So how many? I have 25 turtles.
You put 2, and then you put half of the 5.
Very good. Give yourself a clap, please. And that's with a picture graph. Right? It's very simple. Okay. Pause.